Welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles. Today we've got the 1979 Suzuki X7 GT250. An exceptional looking bike. This had extensive full restoration a number of years ago, and it's just lovely. Just a walk around video for you. This bike is in stock now. Does start and run sweet as a nut. We all love the smell of two-stroke. But yeah, just a real nice example. Lots of documentation with this vehicle, including parts lists, old MOTs, service invoices, parts invoices, etc, etc. So yeah, lots of documentation with the bike, and it is just a really nice, clean, iconic bike. It does sound very nice. This bike is in stock and available now at our showroom in Doncaster. We can deliver this bike nationwide or worldwide, depending where you are based. So yeah, any questions, give us a call. Telephone number is 01302 760 967, or you can email us on chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Many thanks. Cheers.